Here I've got DOOGEE S50 and let me show you how to change keyboard language on the following device. So let's just take a look at the current one. Here we've got English, as you can see, US, and now let me check it. Change it. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and pick language as an input and click on virtual keyboard right here. Now click on Google Keyboard, pick languages, and as you can see from the following list you can pick whichever language you would like to apply. So let me choose, for example, Thai. Then turn off English. And now if we will go back and open messages again, you will see the difference. As you can see now, we've got Thai. And then you can change it the same way smoothly. Open the languages, activate English and deactivate Thai, which is right here. So this is it. That would be all. As you can see now we are back in English. This is pretty quick and easy operation to perform. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.